Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. I am able to sleep so much better when I'm either listening to a podcast or some music to help shut my brain off. And these Sleep Pals micro headphones are my new favorite thing. These are the perfect mini little headphones that fit nice and snugly in your ear so that you can lay on either side without them poking out and feeling uncomfortable. These are from Bluripp, and I am so in love with these. You've got crystal clear sound. They are so easy to travel with because of this great little charging case. You get 4.5 hours of playtime, which is plenty to help you fall asleep, and 28 hours with the charging case fully charged. And they have two different sizes of the sleeves for them. I am so happy with these. There's really nothing like being able to comfortably sleep in a pair of headphones, and these ones are absolutely perfect. I couldn't recommend them any more highly, and that's my point of view.